Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. And so I'm losing YouTube subscribers. And what if I told you that I'm willingly losing YouTube subscribers for this one big thing? Now, before I get into that, let me talk about how crazy this might sound. Because if you watch any other channels talking about YouTube, mine included, it's rare for you to hear them say, I want to lose YouTube subscribers, or I know I'm willingly choosing to lose YouTube subscribers. And you might be thinking that is absolutely insane. Why would you choose to lose YouTube subscribers? Well, there is a very important reason for that. And I would say this is something that you yourself, it's probably going to face as well. And you might choose to lose YouTube subscribers for something else. Okay, so what is this really big thing that's going to cause somebody to choose a route that's actually going to make him lose YouTube subscribers? Well, that one thing is actually growth. Now, I know this sounds completely opposite of what you're trying to do, but if you actually do YouTube for the long term, then more than likely you're going to run into this situation where you're creating this type of content, and at a certain point, that type of content isn't working anymore, or you want to try something new. And whenever you do this, you're making a change, you're making a shift. I can almost guarantee you that you will lose YouTube subscribers. And whenever this happens the first time, it might really be a shock to you. However, as you do this more and more times, you'll know that whenever you do decide to take this more risky approach of growing in another way, that you will lose subscribers. And that's why they say you are willingly choosing to lose subscribers, because it's very rare for you not to lose subscribers if you start changing the type of content, changing the style, changing things that the majority of your audience is used to. And so let me give you some examples of whenever I lost YouTube subscribers. And the biggest one being is whenever I changed my content from mostly Linux content, which is where I got the majority of all my growth early on from my YouTube channel, to something that's more about video editing, starting with open source video editors all the way to video editors like DaVinci Resolve. And now I'm making another big shift where most of my content is going to be focused on more content creator specific stuff for more creative geeks and people like myself. And so that's kind of where I'm heading with the channel right now. And because of that, I am losing subscribers. My growth has started to slow down, but this is normal, because every time that I've done this, I lost subscribers, but I've gained new subscribers with a different audience and community. And then sometimes a lot of the people who started with me on this other content stuck with me as I evolved and changed over time. Because if you are going to be doing this for the long term, you will change, you will evolve, and eventually you do want to grow. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, leave it in the comments area below. And if you did want to see more of my YouTube tutorials, tips, and thoughts, I do have an entire playlist. I'll leave that in the description area as well. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Set up your business easily and legally with incredibly affordable rates at Incfile. Join more than 500,000 businesses and launch your business today. For more information, check out the affiliate link in the description area below.